Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Firefox. One of the uses of dark mode is for when you're working on a PC late at night, or maybe for any number of reasons you don't like the white looking background, you want to switch to something darker. Maybe it's something you prefer, a number of reasons. Most browsers have this feature. We covered a couple of other browsers that do have this feature. You can check those out if you want to. And it's actually very easy to enable it, but it works a little bit tiny differently than it does on different browsers. So it works one way for Chrome, another way for Firefox, Edge, so on and so on. So the way it works on Firefox is actually a tiny bit more trickier. You don't have like a straight go to button to activate dark mode. So we're going to discuss that here, and hopefully it will be quite easy for you, and it is. So as per usual, you want to locate the address bar, and then you move right to it. You go all the way down to these three lines, and you get the menu. After you open the menu, you don't want to go into options the way you usually do with these tutorials. You want to go to customize with the little paintbrush icon at the left side of it. So we go to customize. Now, you see all these options here. We don't have anything to do with these options. Like, these options are fine. What we do have is we go all the way down. You have toolbars, themes. You click on dark. Okay, and as you can see, your Google Chrome is now in dark mode. And that is how you activate dark mode on your PC on Firefox. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye bye.